There's a big shift happening in restaurant marketing right now. Ads are getting more expensive. Algorithms keep changing. Third-party platforms control who sees your content and when. And for many restaurants, that means less reach, higher costs, and less control. But some restaurants aren't feeling that pressure at all. They're growing steadily, communicating directly with customers, and driving repeat business on their own terms. What's the difference? They own their audience, and they use AI to turn that ownership into growth. Welcome back to Table Talk with CafeFuel. I'm your host, Brian Devine, and today we're breaking down how restaurants use AI and first-party data to grow smarter, market directly, and build long-term customer value. Let's start by clearing up what first-party data actually means. First-party data is simply information you collect directly from your customers. No middleman, no guessing. This includes things like email addresses, phone numbers, order history, visit frequency, menu preferences, feedback, and reviews. This data comes from your own channels, online orders, reservations, loyalty programs, QR menus, Wi-Fi signups, and direct communication. And here's why it matters more than ever. When you rely only on social platforms or delivery apps, you're essentially renting access to your customers. Those platforms control the rules, the reach, and the costs. But when you own your audience, you control the relationship. You decide when to communicate, what to send, and how often. That ownership creates stability, and AI makes it powerful. So how does AI turn first-party data into real restaurant growth? First, AI helps with organization and segmentation. Most restaurants already have customer data. It's just scattered. AI pulls it together, cleans it up, and groups customers automatically. You end up with segments like first-time diners, regular customers, high-value VIPs, customers who haven't visited in a while. Instead of sending the same message to everyone, AI helps you speak to each group differently. Next comes personalized marketing at scale. AI uses customer history to personalize emails, texts, and promotions. If someone always orders lunch, they get lunch offers. If someone loves dessert, they see dessert recommendations. If someone hasn't visited recently, they get a gentle re-engagement message. This personalization feels human, but it happens automatically. Then there's predictive insight. AI doesn't just look at what customers did before, it predicts what they're likely to do next. It can spot customers who are about to stop visiting guests, likely to return soon, people ready for an upsell or special offer that allows restaurants to act before revenue is lost, not after. AI also improves retargeting using owned data. Instead of relying only on ads, AI helps you re-engage customers using email and SMS lists you already own. This usually costs less and converts better because the relationship already exists. And finally, AI builds lifecycle automation. From first visit to repeat guest to loyal, regular, AI creates automated journeys that guide customers naturally without manual effort. Let's look at what this looks like in real restaurants. A cafe focused on growing its email and SMS list through online orders. AI segmented customers by visit frequency and sent targeted promotions. Repeat visits increased without spending more on ads. A quick service restaurant used AI to personalize weekly offers based on order history. Customers felt the messages were relevant, not spammy, and engagement went up. Another restaurant reduced its reliance on delivery apps by encouraging customers to order directly. AI helped drive traffic back to owned channels, improving margins and customer control. The pattern is clear. Restaurants that own their audience are more resilient, more profitable, and more adaptable. So how do you start owning your audience? Here's a simple path forward. Step 1, start capturing customer data consistently. Use online ordering, reservations, loyalty programs, QR codes, and opt-in forms. Step 2, connect those data sources to an AI-powered marketing platform. This gives you a single view of your customer. Step 3, let AI segment your audience automatically. You don't need complex rules. AI handles it. Step 4, use AI to personalize communication. Emails, texts, promotions, and follow-ups become relevant and timely. Step 5, automate the process. AI runs in the background, turning data into growth while you focus on the restaurant. One important reminder here, transparency matters. Always be clear about how you collect and use customer data. Trust is part of owning your audience. Let's wrap this up with your 3 action steps for the week. Step 1, identify one place where you can start collecting customer data. Online orders, QR menus, or reservations. Step 2, use AI to segment that data and send one personalized message. Step 3, download CafeFuel's free restaurant social media AI starter kit at https://cafefuel.rocks social kit to get tools and templates that help you grow using owned data. Here's your closing thought. When you own your audience, you're no longer dependent on changing algorithms or rising ad costs. You build direct relationships, you market smarter, and you grow on your own terms. AI makes that ownership scalable, efficient, and profitable. Thanks for tuning in to Table Talk with CafeFuel. I'm Brian Devine, and until next time, keep building relationships, keep using your data wisely, and keep your restaurant growing.